I've always felt that he was competent and he knew exactly what he was doing.
That is a granddaughter hoping for justice in an interview we first aired in late 2024. Now, that family and really the entire community are still waiting after a local dog walker was killed during a carjacking. And the man accused of murdering an 80-year-old woman in Madison Valley last August was back in court today, this time for another competency hearing.
And Fox 13's Shira Matsuzawa was there joining us now with the court's decision and what's going to happen next.
Ruth Dalton's granddaughter tells me she was able to wrap up all of her grandma's personal affairs, so now she can focus on getting justice for her grandma. Just as she has been for all of the other hearings, Ruth's granddaughter Melanie Roberts was back at court once again on Thursday.
It's been 8 months, and we're no better off now than we were 8 months ago when they arrested him.
This time for another competency hearing for Jamed Haynes. Court documents say Haynes reportedly carjacked Ruth as she was walking dogs in the neighborhood. Investigators say he dragged her with her own car before running her over. Haynes is also charged with animal cruelty for killing Ruth's dog.
He disgusts me. I mean, to make the decisions that he made, it's disgusting. It saddens me.
Back in December, Haynes was found competent to stand trial, but earlier this month, the Department of Social and Health Services reported that was no longer the case. They outlined their reasonings in a 10-page report.
It gives the court a lot of information, including description of the evaluation that was conducted. It includes clinical history.
Haynes appeared in court dressed in a red jumpsuit. The judge ruled our cameras were not allowed to show his face to preserve his right to a fair trial.
Based on this report and the information that is contained in it, I agree with the opinion of the evaluator that Mr. Haynes lacks that ability to assist in his own defense.
That decision comes after Seattle police have previously said the 48-year-old has 8 prior felonies and a history of mental health concerns. For Melanie, the last 8 months have been difficult, to say the least.
It was her first birthday without her. It was our first Thanksgiving and Christmas without her. It was my first birthday without her. A couple weeks it'll be my daughter's first birthday without her. It's just been a lot of hard firsts that will be for the rest of our lives now.
All she wants now is justice for her grandma, which for her looks like this.
It looks like he never breathes free air again. He's incarcerated for the rest of his life. I don't care if that's in a prison or a mental institution.
So what happens next? Well, a 90-day restoration period has been set, and then another court hearing is scheduled for July 24th. In Seattle, Shira Matsuzawa, Fox 13 News.